Hi guys, Dan Rowbottom here from NAPA Racing UK. We're in Milton Keynes today and we're going to visit 3 NAPA customers. All 3 of these garages are big users of everything NAPA, the NAPA Auto Parts business and all the associated brands. So we're going to go in, learn about what they're like and have a great time.
Welcome to Linslade Tyres, I'm Lucy.
Nice to meet you. So Linslade Tyres, how long has it been established? How long have you been here? Tell me a bit about it.
My granddad and my uncle set up in Rushden, Northamptonshire,
Okay.
60 years ago.
Wow.
And then my dad moved to Leighton in round about the late 1960s.
Okay.
Set up this one, so we've actually been in Leighton, nearly 50 years now.
Wow.
Hi, I'm Chris Margetts from MK Fleet Maintenance. MK Fleet was established in 2011.
Okay.
We send people out on site to service their vehicles.
John,
Nice to meet
MoTest. Nice to meet you.
So tell me a bit about MoTest. What is it and what do you do?
Pretty much anything, to be fair.
Yep.
Servicing, repairs, everything bar bodywork.
Okay.
Been here 20 odd years plus.
Long time established then.
Yeah, very long time.
Do you MOTs here as well?
Yeah, class 4 and 7, big
Fantastic.
vans. We've got a dedicated MOT bay.
Okay.
Good load of lads. Fairly big workshop.
Fantastic. So you offer a full range of services here?
100% MOT, servicing, tyres, brakes, clutches, engine work,
Wow.
you name it, we do it.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So one-stop shop effectively for
100%,
your customer.
yeah.
And you use NAPA Auto Parts across that whole.
Everything.
Okay.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Don't
great.
use anybody else.
So this has been established for a long, long time. I'm assuming you have a passion for cars outside of work or not really?
Not really.
No?
No.
Just
My
for the
son
money?
does. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I work with them all day. He
Fantastic.
can deal with them after.
Nice to meet you. Good. So what's got you into cars then? What is it?
Probably this place, to be fair.
Yeah.
Because non-stop been in here from when I was 14, 15.
Yeah.
So it's probably here.
Okay. Have you got any particular favourites?
Yeah, it's anything V-Dog.
Anything
I'm
V?
an Audi man as well.
Oh God, you're one of them. It is an illness, you know that, don't you? They're great, but it's an illness. You're a big fan of the NAPA brand and everything it's associated with. Any particular reason?
Quality of part,
Okay.
accessibility.
Yep.
Yeah, we just don't really have many problems with NAPA, to be honest with you. It's
Ideal.
yeah.
So we've got a massive network of motor factors and places you can pick your parts up from. I guess that's what the guys in the vans do. They have to go drive around and get the bits and then they go out and service the vehicles, or?
Well, the beauty is that we get the parts delivered to our engineers the day before. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's
So
convenient.
it's completely easy for you guys.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So you've been using the NAPA and NAPA Auto Parts brands for a long time now. What do you like about them so much? What gives you that confidence to keep using that brand?
Well, first of all, we don't have to keep doing the same job twice, which is
Okay.
always a bonus. It's readily available. There's loads of stuff on the shelf.
Yeah.
Don't really have to wait for it.
Right.
If we're out on the road and we need something, we can always nip to another branch
Okay.
nearby, collect it, go and do the job, save on recovery costs. Yes, good stuff really.
So you'd say that quick service is important for you in this game?
Definitely, yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
time is money. We need
Okay.
to get the cars in, get them out.
Get them out. So then you've now switched on to NAPA Parts.
Yes.
How did that happen? Why did it happen?
Don't really know, to be fair. Before you went from MotorServe to NAPA, we were MotorServe anyway.
Okay.
But I mean, we use them. We've never had an issue with them. We've never had people complain about them.
Great.
You know, and they're good parts and great value for money.
Like fit them once and forget.
100%. Yeah.
OE quality, all
Yes,
that kind of
definitely.
stuff. Okay,
Yeah.
great.
Never had an issue with them.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And what
We're too
range?
busy.
Everything. Discs,
Everything.
pads.
The lot.
The lot.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Alternators, rotating electrics,
Yeah.
all that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Great.
Springs,
Okay.
disc and pads. Yeah.
Perfect.
Service kits.
Spot on. So I guess one of the most important things when we run a garage, you need to give your customers good level of confidence that the products you're fitting are good, and NAPA Auto Parts allow you to do that?
Yeah, definitely, yeah, 100%. The last thing we need is somebody breaking down over something we fitted,
Yeah.
letting a customer down.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's good stuff.
Fantastic. So can you give me a little bit of an insight into how NAPA Parts help with you servicing fleet vehicles?
First of all, warranty is a big thing for us.
Okay.
Obviously, to guarantee the work that we do for our customers' vehicles.
Yeah.
The quality of the parts is fantastic.
Yep.
From filters to brake pads to suspension components.
You use a whole range of that?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, fantastic. So as I walk in here, I can see that you share a passion of mine, fast forwards. Tell me a bit about them.
Well, I bought my first one when I was probably 14,
Really?
XR3i, and then just sort of evolved from there really.
Okay.
RS turbos, Focuses, Cosworths, they're easy to work on.
Yeah.
Just, yeah, they're great.
How many do you
Just
think
love
you've had
the way
over the
they
time? How many have you had?
look. Over time, probably 20, 15,
Have you
20,
really?
easy.
Wow. What's
Easy.
your favourite?
Probably the Escort Cosworth I had that I sold.
Okay.
That I probably shouldn't have sold.
No, fair enough. Small turbo or big turbo?
A small turbo.
Oh, nice.
But
Proper.
if it was Imperial Blue, I'd have kept it.
Right, thank you very much for having me
Not
here.
a problem, nice to meet you.
Got a small gift, but
Thank
I
you.
think after meeting you, Kieran's going to probably enjoy it more. So I'll let you
There
deal
you
with
go,
that.
Kieran.
And thanks for having me.
No problem,
See you
thank you
guys.
very much.
Right then, thank you so much for showing me around. It's been really interesting. Wish you all the best for the expansion. But because you've shown us around what you do, why don't you come have a look at what we do? Some tickets in here for the British Touring Car Weekend.
Oh, thank you
We'd
very
love you
much.
to come along.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
It's been a pleasure.
Great to meet you.
Cheers.
Right, so we've been here today, we've had a little bit of a look at what you do. You've got your fast forwards, so I thought it's only fair for you to come and see me in my fast forward. It's a little present in there to get
Great
you
stuff.
to the BTCC.
Brilliant, thanks very much.
But what I'd really like to do is to go for a spin in one of your cars.
Yeah, take your pick.
Can we do that?
Yeah,
Well, we'll go with this one then.
yeah, let's go.